and split it into three. The good, rocking and rolling.
Nice to see you all.
Yeah.
I'm from Goa, India.
The bad. Right. And the ugly. There's a massive issue on board. Gets mentioned in lots of reviews. Very widely reported. Now it's a bit of a bathroom issue, so it's not for the faint-hearted this. I'm going to check it out. Let's have a look. Daft o'clock in the morning, the other morning, we rolled into Gatwick Airport. Then we flew down to Malta to get on, Azura, which is a ship we've been on before, quite a few years ago now, for a 2-week sail around the Med.
Cheers!
Cheers! So this is Anthony, our tour guide for this morning. Hello! This looks fantastic! You okay there, Claire?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
We were going to do the little train, but this is miles more fun.
The statue was put here after the Second World War, cut into 5 pieces during the war. The locals, they hid it. People here are rubbing the big toe of the statue all the time. That's why it's so polished, almost golden looking.
Is that for luck?
They hope they will dream some lotto numbers or whatever. This yellow building is Croatian National Theatre, built by the Austrian-Hungarian government 120 years ago. So we went into the European Union 11 years ago, and recently you guys went out. Every couple on my tour have told me they were not the ones who voted for the Brexit. On the paper, almost 90% of Croatian people are Catholics. He doesn't live here, he lives in Madrid.
Topless now, Claire.
One of the most beautiful museums in the city is this neoclassical palace, Gallery Meštrović.
It's absolutely tonking it down now, so oh my giddy aunt. Here I am again with this heights thing, look at that. I'm sure why there's water here, but look how high that is. I'm doing this for YouTube. I'm gonna have to stop doing this, my heart's going like the clappers. I think that's the one Frenchie backed. Now we do love a train.
On this walkway located on your left hand side, you will see the Maltese Law Court. In this cathedral one can view Caravaggio's masterpiece, The Beheading of St. John. The historic Fort St. Elmo stands proudly at the extreme end of the Valletta Peninsula. We shall now stop here for a short period of time. You may wish to take some photographs of the view. Bronze statue to mark and commemorate the 21st of September 1964 as the day of Malta's independence from British rule. We'd like to thank you for joining our train ride today. Enjoy the rest of your holiday here on our wonderful Maltese island. See you again soon.
See you again soon.
and then we'll go down for dinner in the dining room.
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
We're on the Azura cruise round the Med and then down to the Canaries, which is obviously where all the rich and famous live. We come for our evening dinner every night with this crew here, so I'm going to pass you around now. The first one's Mick. I'll pass you to Mick, right?
Hello folks, my name's Mick, I'm 37 from Nantwich. You've not met Barry yet, but when you see him you'll realise why, that I'm his probation officer.
I'm Barry, and I've met the lovely Janet who's sitting next to me. But we're not married, my friend. We're not getting married. So I'm going to pass you on now to Janet, and she'll tell you what a swine I am, and she never ever wants to see me again.
Hi, I'm Janet. What can I say? I'm enjoying the cruise very much.
Yeah, because she's with me.
Because I'm with Barry.
Yeah.
Not for much longer though. It's going to be dumped as soon as I get him home.
That's
Right,
a piece of
I'm
work.
going to pass you on to my dear friend here, Sandra. Say something to the camera.
Hello, camera. I'm Mick's wife, and Janet next to her is my work colleague 15 years ago, and next to her is lovely Barry. The opposite side is lovely Claire and Andy. We're having a lovely holiday in the Med and the Canaries. We're going home soon to the bad weather in England. Nice speaking to you all.
I'm Claire, Andy's partner. Looking forward to get back home to Lanzarote. What a
I think
shame.
Claire's 37 as well. When you're on P&O ship, you have a cabin steward, and we've been lucky enough this time to have Patrick.
Hello, nice to see you.
Thanks to Patrick for all the help you've given us and stuff like that. Thanks very much.
Oh, thank you. Enjoy, come to the Piano Cruises and enjoy your vacation with your friends and family.
Up on deck 19 at the minute. We're having a bit of rough sea. I'm just going to show you now. It's been like this most of the night, well, all night. We quite like it. The rock and get you off to sleep, no bother. Down getting coffee this morning, it seems like not everybody's had the best sleep. Right, so right on the bow here, look at this. We've run into a bit of fog. It's actually been a bit worse than this earlier. And we're doing 13 knots and they haven't slowed down, so it can't be that much of a big concern to them. But might be to the passengers. Especially them that are sunbathing. There's all the radars up there. I mean, they go all the time anyway, that's nothing out of the ordinary, but somebody will be sat glued to that for sure. You've got to love a long blast, haven't you? There's a much reported issue on board this ship. An issue that could affect every single person aboard. I'm going to check it out. People are covering this all over the world. Only seems to affect this ship. It won't go away. So I've come to investigate and get to the bottom of it and find out what's going on. It is, as I'm sure you've guessed, a shower curtain. It goes for you, it sticks to you, it sticks to your legs. It should be glass. It sticks to your body, you can't get it off, it wraps itself around you. Let's go and find out. Don't know what all the fuss is about.